Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a follow-up to the video I previously posted on the MSC Divina. While I sailed on that, we stopped at their private island, Ocean Cay, in the Bahamas. We were supposed to spend the whole night there, but due to high winds, we could only spend part of the one day. It was a beautiful day, and I wanted to kind of give a walking tour of the island. It's very much a chill, relaxed type of day, but being their island only supports one ship at a time, you certainly never feel crowded. You have plenty of time to explore the entire island, and it's a beautiful walk and hang out there the whole day if you want. I certainly had fun myself. I hope you enjoy the video, and please remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. We'll start out the tour with a bird's eye view of the island. I'm on deck 14, and this gives you a good vantage point to see how the island is laid out. It is very much, it's fun, it's much more of a relaxed type of setting. Great place if you say, I just want to have a beach day and call it quits and relax the whole day. The tram that you see going by is something that you can pick up at several different points around the island and get on and get off, no problem. Coming up, you're going to see the lighthouse, which is pretty much directly in front of the ship, right along the beach. The lighthouse does have a show at night. We missed it on ours because we were supposed to dock from Saturday to Sunday, and unfortunately with the weather, the winds, the waves and all, we could only be here for part of the day on Sunday, so we missed the light show on the lighthouse. It has LEDs all on the outside, and I believe when they have it they do 2 shows. And you can see it was just a gorgeous day. It was January, it was fairly cool, but the weather today was fantastic. It was probably 65, 70, nice little breeze. The sun was nice and warm. It's January, so you weren't worried about getting too burnt up out there as it would be during the summer. The layout of the island is nice. There's walkways pretty much all around where you want to go. And the convenient thing is, if you get a little turned around, you can pretty much just do a 360 and find the ship. It's the tallest thing there. And with their island, they only have capability to dock one ship at a time. So it wouldn't be a case where you may have your ship and another one and the island starts to get crowded. You know, we had a pretty full ship, and this island, there were more lounge chairs available than there were taken. Plenty of space on the beaches, no worry with anything there. And you can see it's just so beautiful and picturesque the way it's laid out. This, I think we're going to cross the bridge in just a minute, and it gives you a good chance to look out into the Caribbean, the beautiful water, the blue sky. It's great to have a vantage point from different areas on here just to take in the scenery. Plenty of people were walking. They like to get out and stretch their legs. A lot of people relaxing. And after this bridge is going to be another one of the stops where you can pick up the tram and take it to another location on the island. Those are very nice. It's hop on, hop off. There's no charge for it. It's all free when it's on the island. They do have also a buffet dining area on the island, and just as on the ship, and if you're going to the buffet there, no charge for it, and very good food. A little limited compared to the ship, but it was excellent quality. And as we round the corner here, you'll see that tram coming up, which will about wrap up our video. Thank you for checking out my video, and remember, if you're looking for a cruise, contact me and I'll find the perfect cruise vacation for you.